Countable Uncountable Part 1. Countable nouns. It's a group of nouns that can be counted. Most nouns in English are countable. Example: I have 2 dogs. Sandra has 3 cars. Jesse has $10. Uncountable nouns. Usually, it's a group of nouns that we often picture these nouns as a single concept or one big thing which is hard to divide. Example: Mark drinks a lot of water. Cindy gives great advice. Paul enjoys politics. Ends with S but uncountable. Uncountable nouns are one of the following categories: liquids and gases, water, coffee, milk, air, oxygen.
Solid and granular.
Grainy, like bean, sugar, salt. Substances, like wood, metal, cheese, sand, rice. Energy words and forces, like electricity, sunshine, radiation, heat. Subjects, like French, chemistry, economics, science, math. Grouped concepts, like fruit, money, food. News, information, and abstract concepts: information, advice, education, democracy, intelligence. Uncountable plurals. Sometimes in English, we do use uncountable nouns in plural forms. This is most commonly done with liquids and substances. It usually takes on the meaning of cups of, bottles of, or types of. Examples: We'll have 2 coffees. It means cups of coffee. I bought 3 waters. It means bottles of water. The company produces 2 leathers. It means types of leather. Different meanings. There are certain words which have multiple meanings. It is possible for one meaning to be countable and the other to be uncountable. Examples: I couldn't see anything because there was no light. Uncountable noun. The Christmas tree was covered with hundreds of lights. Countable noun. As you can see here, generally, the rules are still the same. The first use of light is form of energy, and the second use of light means small light bulbs, which are normal countable objects. Thanks for watching. To learn it better, please watch Countable Uncountable Part 2